Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. This is your Coffee Bites and I am here to solve the day 8 of solving the lead code problems, that is how to find the duplicates in an array. Guys, you can see the description on your screen, that is to find the duplicates in an array. In example 1 you can see 1, 3, 4, 2 and 2. Here 2 is repeated, so the output is 2. So our task is to find which number is repeated. So how to solve this problem? Guys, there are many methods to solve, but I have bought with a very optimal solution, and there is a trick for solving this types of problems where you have been given to find the duplicates. For this, we can use a method called as Floyd cycle, guys. The name of this is Floyd's cycle. Floyd's cycle. And in this approach you are not using any extra space, and even the time complexity is also optimal in this method. So how to solve this, guys, I'll take an example. Since the example 1 and example 2 are very small, I'll take a very large array so that you can understand properly. So the array elements, I'll just darken this a bit. Okay, so the array elements are, I have taken 2, 5. What I'll do is I'll enlarge this. Okay, 2, 5, 9, 6, 9, 3, 8, 9, 7 and 1. Guys, these are all the array elements that have been given to us, and our task is to find the duplicate. So by seeing here, we can say that the duplicate element is 9, which is repeating so many times. So how to find this? Guys, there is a method in Floyd's algorithm. We will take two pointer. One is slow pointer and the another one is fast pointer. Even we call it as hare and tortoise algorithm. Hare and tortoise. You can call it anything, but I will. It is even called as Floyds. It is even called as hare and tortoise method. You can. It's left to you. The name is not important, but the approach, problem you the approach you solve the problem, in the way you solve the problem, that is important. Why? Because uh, the name that is given to this algorithm is not that important. So okay, then let's solve this problem. Guys, what I will do is I will point the slow pointer to the first index and even the fast pointer to the first index itself, and then I will move slow one step and I will move fast two steps. So how can I solve this? That is, here I'll take a slow pointer. Guys, I'll take a slow pointer over here. For example, if this is the array, initially the first element is 2, and the slow and the fast pointer will be pointing to the first index, that is at the 2. Here the slow pointer and the fast pointer will be pointing. Okay, so now what I will do is I will find the cycle in this array. So how can I find the cycle? Like if this is 2 and if the array name is given as nums, what I will do is I will find the element at index 2. The element at index 2. Is what is the element at index 2? 0, 1, 2. So the element at index 2 is 9. Now again I will move the element at index 9. Guys, what is the element at index 9? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The element at index 9 is 1. And now move again. The element at index 1. The element at index 1 is 5. And again place this. Now again check the element at index 5. What is the element at index 5? The element at index 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Now again check the element at index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 6. Now again check the element at index 6. What is the element at index 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 8. Now again check the element at index 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 7. Now again check the element at index 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 9. And again it will point back to 9. Guys, this is the cycle. In this way, you have to detect the cycle. In this way, we have to detect the cycle in the beginning. In the beginning, we have to detect the cycle. After detecting the cycle, what we have to do is, in first step, you have to move slow to the first index and fast two steps ahead, or two steps ahead. Slow, you have to move one step, and fast, you have to move two steps. So in the first iteration, what I will do is, let the slow be here. Let the slow be here, and I will move fast two steps ahead. Like what I will do is, yeah, okay. Here, initially slow and fast will be pointing to the, initially slow and fast will be pointing to 2. Okay. And then what I will do is, I will move slow to the next index, and I will move fast two steps ahead of the initial. Initially fast was pointing to 2, and now it will move two steps ahead, that is over here. And again what I will do is, again I'll move slow one step ahead and fast two steps ahead. So now slow will be pointing to 1, and fast will be at two steps ahead of slow. And again I will move slow one step ahead. Again I'll move slow one step ahead and fast two steps. Okay. And I will move slow one step ahead. Again I'll move slow one step ahead and fast two steps ahead. And again I will move slow one step ahead, and I will move fast two steps ahead. Fast two steps ahead. And again I will move slow one step ahead, and I will move fast two steps ahead. So fast was here, right? And fast will be over here. And again I will move slow one step ahead, and I will move fast yeah, two steps ahead. Okay. 1 minute guys, I think I have missed the flow. Yeah, I had missed the flow. No worries, let's do it once again. I'm sorry guys, I think I have missed the flow. So it's okay. What I'll do is, again I'll start from the beginning. Initially the slow and fast will be pointing to index 1, that is at 2, and I will move slow one step ahead. Here the initially the slow would be here, and the fast would be pointing to, and fast would be here. And again the slow would be here, and fast would be here. Okay. And again the slow would be here, and the fast would be here. Okay. And again the slow would be here, and the fast would be here. And again the slow would be here, and the fast would be here. And yeah, again the slow would be here, and the fast would be here. And again the slow would be here, and the fast would be here. Yes. And here we find that slow and fast are pointing to the same element, that is 7. At this step, when slow and fast are pointing to the same element in the cycle, what I will do is, you can either move slow to the first index or fast to the first index. 1 minute guys, I'll erase this. Here slow and fast are pointing to the same element. At this condition, what I will do is, I will move slow to the first index, that is at the 0th index. What I'll do is, I'll keep fast here itself. Let the fast be pointing to 7 itself, but I will move slow to the 0th index. So what is the element at 0th index? 2. So now I will move slow to the 0th index, that is 2. So now what I will do is, again I'll start one more loop where fast will move one step and slow will move one step. And at the point where slow and fast are pointing to the same element again, that will be my duplicate. So here again I'll move slow one step ahead, and I'll move fast one step ahead. Here slow and fast are pointing to the same element, that is 9. So I will return slow as my answer. So this was the try run, guys. So if you have not understood this properly, again I'll take one more example and I will explain you. One more example, I'll take the same elements, that is 1 3 4 2 2. 1 3 4 2 2. So this is the small array, guys. What I will do is, initially slow and fast will be pointing to the first index, that is 1. 1, slow and fast will be pointing to the first element. So again I'll find a cycle now. Or how to find the cycle? Again I'll find nums of 1. What is nums of 1? That is 3. And what is nums of 3? 0 1 2 3, that is 2. What is nums of 2? 0 1 2, that is 4. And what is nums of 4? 0 1 2 3 4, that is again 2. I'll point again back to 2. I think we have detected the cycle over here. And now again I'll follow the same step. I'll move slow 1 step ahead and fast 2 steps ahead. So initially slow and fast will be pointing to the first index. And what I will do is, I'll move slow 1 step ahead and I'll move fast 1 step ahead. And again what I'll do, I'll move slow 1 step ahead and fast will be at 2, right? Again I'll move 2 steps ahead, that is 4, and again back to 2. So after moving 2 steps, again fast will be at the same element. So here slow and fast are pointing to the same element, that is 2. So here what I'll do, I'll stop the cycle. I will move slow to the 0th index. Here what I will do is, I'll stop the cycle, and here I'll keep fast to be pointing at 2 itself. I'll move slow to the first index. So here again what I'll do, I'll move slow to the first index and fast to the next index. And fast to the next index. Here slow will be here and fast will be here. And again what I will do is, okay, and again I'll move slow to the next index and I'll move fast to the next index. Okay, and again I'll move fast to the next index, where slow and fast will be pointing to the same element, that is 2. Here slow and fast are pointing to the same element, that is 2. I'll return slow. Guys, in this way we can solve this problem where our repeating element is 2. I think you have understood this problem. Okay, then let's take one more example if the problem is not clear, that is 3 1 3 4 2. 3 1 3 4 2. 3 1 3 4 and 2. Guys, here what I will do is, initially slow and fast will be pointing to the first index, and the element at 0 1 2 3 is 4. It will move to 4. And 0 1 2 3 4, the element at 4th index is 2. And again 0 1 2, the element at the second index is again 3. So I have found the loop, and I have found the cycle. And initially slow and fast will be pointing to the first element, that is 3. And I'll move slow to first index, and I'll move fast here, and again I'll move slow here, and I'll move fast here. Okay, and again I will move fast over here. 1 minute, guys, I think this is looking this is not clear. I'll do clear cycle now. 3 1 3 4 2, right? Okay. So the cycle would be 3 4 2, and this would be pointing again to 3. So initially slow would be here and fast also would be here, and I'll move slow 1 step ahead. Okay, and I'll move fast 2 steps ahead, and again I'll move slow 1 step ahead, and fast I'll move 2 steps ahead. Okay, and again I'll move slow 1 step ahead, and again I'll move fast 2 steps ahead. And here slow and fast are pointing to the same element, that is 3. So again I'll move slow to the 0th index. Here 0th element is 3 itself. So here slow is also pointing to 3 and fast is also pointing to 3. At this step, when slow and fast are pointing to the same element, I'll return slow as my answer. So this was the uh, theory, guys. I think you have understood how to solve this problem using the Floyd's cycle. So without delay, let's go and let's code. Guys, what I'll do is I'll take the n element, that is int n, and I'll do nums dot length. Okay, and 1 second. I think this is not required. What I'll do is I'll take slow, and this will be pointing to 0th index, and I'll take fast, and this will also be pointing to the 0th, that is first element. And since I have to find the cycle over here, what I'll do is I'll take a do, and here I'll take a while loop. While slow not equal to false, I'm sorry guys, slow not equal to fast. Okay, and here what I will do is slow and fast, right? Here I'll take slow again, and I'll move slow one step ahead, and I'll take fast, and I will move fast 2 steps ahead. So this would be 2 steps ahead. uh 1 second guys. Nums of fast, yes, I think this is clear. And here what I'll do is, after finding the cycle where I'll find the I'll find the loop, and here when slow and fast are pointing to the same element, I will move slow to the first index again. You can either move slow or you can either move fast to the first index. It's left to you, it's your choice. And here again I'll take the while loop, and I will do the same thing, slow not equal to fast. Here I'll move slow one step ahead and fast one step ahead. That is slow equal to nums of slow, and fast equal to nums of fast. Here I'll move one step ahead after finding the cycle where after finding the cycle, and where slow and fast are pointing to the same element, I'll move slow to the 0th index, and I will keep fast to be pointing to the same element in the cycle. After doing that, uh, okay, and I'll return slow at the last. I think this is the code, guys. Let's run this and let's check, is there any problem in this code. Okay, we have cleared all the cases, and I'll submit this. Okay, we have submitted, we have cleared all the test cases, we have passed all the test cases. uh, that's all, guys. Thank you. This is the Floyd's cycle, and in this way you can take a slow pointer and fast pointer, and you can find the duplicate in an array. That's all, guys. Thank you. If you like the way I explained, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.